Hello guys, it's Akash here. I'm back with another video. Sorry I couldn't post the video for the past 6 months. Now I'm back with the video. I'm going to unbox the Aero series fan. Okay, now it's air delivery. I'll tell some specification about it. Its air delivery is about 240 centimeter. Aerodynamic. It's aerodynamic design. It's a stronger 8-pole motor, 18-pole motor, which is the normal fan. You cannot get the 18-pole motor. It has a power motor, and it's superior PU finish. So you can see the design will be like this. Let's unbox this box. And there are some technical features which I would mention here. So it has a sweep of 1200 mm. Power consumption is only 62 watts. That's normal fan consumes around 80 watts or 85 watts. This fan consumes only 62 watts, and it has a RPM of 310. Its air delivery is 240 centimeter. There are some unique features that you can see. Let's unbox this fan. Inside the box you can see these are the contents. Okay, now this is the rod you get. This half-feet rod, and this is the thing which comes down the cap of the fan. This is the clamp for fixing the fan. This is the clamp there which our Orient company has provided. And here is the instruction manual and the warranty card. It has warranty of 2 years. Let's go with the fan itself. Here is the fan. It has a good design around it, and it's perfectly blended. You can see the motor, the capacitor, everything. It's a good fan. It has the nice shining PU finish around it. Now the cup of this fan comes with 2 cups, the same PU finish all over it. Same cup is here. Now I'm going to show the blades of the Aero fan. This comes with this box. Let's keep this box aside. Let me show all the blades for you. Here is the blade. It comes with the PU finish, and it's got 3 blades. Here's all the 3 blades of the fan and the motor. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Please subscribe and like and share all the stuff which we do. If anything missed out, I'll place in the description. Please check it out. Peace.